All right, everybody, how is it going? I hope everybody's doing fine and outstanding. So, what do we got today? We've got another sign video. We have the JROTC logo to cut out here. Gonna be a two-piece sign. Gonna be a lot of metallic in here, or gonna be some metallic in here, I should say. And this sign turns out fantastic. Couldn't ask for better. I believe this one was given for a retirement present for a gentleman in the service. So, shout out to all our service members out there, retired, active duty, reserves, whatever it may be, guys. Thank you for what you do for us and our country. So, without further ado, let's get into it. See this one getting cut out and see what this paint turns out to be like. All right, ladies and gents, there you go. The JROTC United States Army. This one's going to turn out pretty cool. It's going to be quite a few different colors. Well, not quite a few, 3 or 4, I think. Gets a little silly with paint, but yeah, I think it turned out mighty nice. Still a little warm, so you guys are going to see it laying here, and I'm not going to mess with it. I wish I'd go back in and fix this up a little bit. I don't know, it's It's different. Get the lead in and lead out. It's up here on the top. It makes it a little different too, a little distorted. It's not too tremendously terrible. I'll take a grinder and file and straighten everything up pretty good. This sign will get etched. I'm pretty sure that one does too. I'll go back and check the colors, but yeah, gonna have some fine and dandy looking metallic on this joker. So, all right, let's get her over here on the table and get her cleaned up. See what happens. All right, ladies and gents, just about to forgot to turn the camera on and do a little recording of this process, but just gonna tape this one. We got the white sprayed on here for our border. The line's not perfect around through there, but we have already taken our sign before we painted it, laid it down here when we taped everything out and made sure our borders were where we needed it. That little border will all hide behind this line right here, so not too terrible. The U.S. Army JROTC. This one is always a little difficult. So behind this one, as you guys seen us cut it out, we've got the torch and everything. Did that in metallic yellow. Got it all taped off. Forgot to record that part, but we're fixing to uncover this one here. Get you guys set up and see what we got. Alrighty, let's see if we can get this one unmasked. Some of these signs are always double. You gotta tape them once, twice, 3 times sometimes. It gets a little bit of a headache to it. It's never really terrible, but sometimes it can be very time consuming. It's what you have to watch with on these signs. You'll have a couple hours in one before you even realize it. Didn't even charge enough money to cover down, so always trying to watch all that stuff. It'll turn out pretty good, seems like. Just a little hint, well, a little tip from me to you guys that I always do is if I've got smaller parts like this, I'll paint these first. That way, if you come back with any tape residue you need to clean up or what have you, you've got the you don't have as big an area to clean up. So sometimes just stick them on the back of these. This tape gets a little crazy. Go in there and do a little cleaning to it. It normally turns out fairly decent. And if not, you just go start all over and do it again. Not too terrible. Got a little crooked there, but not bad. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So what do you guys think? Look okay? So I need to let this white get set up, cured really good. We're gonna go ahead and tape it off again, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna spray. I believe it's our silver metallic on top of this section right here. We'll let that cure. We'll put our 2 pieces together and have us a fine and dandy looking sign. So yeah, let's get some. All right, guys, we've got the silver sprayed on there on top of the metal to make it look fairly decent. But you can see, especially with the shop lights, nice. It doesn't look too terrible. The borders are a little squared off, but we've got that 1/2 inch line that runs around through there, and we'll hide every bit of that. So I didn't take my time and round everything off. Maybe it's a bad thing on me, but just trying to save time. When you're doing these signs and you can hide stuff like that behind everything, it's a good deal because you don't have to be as prim and as proper and stuff like that. So yeah, the top line, it's kind of crappy too, but that's where that one line goes, and then the other line goes right here, so everything will hide very, very well, and you'll never even notice it. All right, we got our base over here. We're over here on our the backside of our U.S. Army JROTC stuff here. Got our double-sided tape on there. Fixing to throw it down on there. Let's see if we can get it on here straight. I got a real sneaking suspicion I ain't gonna be able to get it real straight, but we will see what happens. See just what happens. Good thing about having these holes pre-drilled, you can get it about where you need it. Well, would you look at there? One shot. No big deal there. Check that out. Shoo-wee. We're gonna have to get some good fine and dandy pictures about that. That's right. Got that Gorilla double-sided tape on there. That stuff will hold just about anything. I tell you what, that is some awesome stuff. Works out great on these signs. Well, all right, ladies and gents, we've got our pieces together. Everything's looking mighty fine. The U.S. Army JROTC, and you can see the metallic in there, shining. So we got the gray metallic in the back. He didn't want just a regular plain steel, so we put the gray in. We've got the gold on there. Got the red, and then of course we did the white background in the background. And you guys haven't seen this one yet, I don't think. But we got our leadership excellence here for the ROTC, I believe. I'll have to double check. It's been crazy around here, guys. You'll have to bear with me. So we got their insignia and everything good to go here. I like the gold and the black. It turned out mighty nice. So yeah, got that all finished up and wrapped up. All right, guys, that's been the JROTC. Big shout out to those guys for everything they do for this country. Awesome deal there. I believe that's going to be a retirement present or a new officer coming in present somewhere or something. I can't remember. But yeah, we've done quite a few of these now. Don't normally carry these on our website. If you haven't went to the website to check that out yet, SOTmetalworks.com, you can get any of these great signs. You may have to email me on the JROTC because I don't think we stock it on there, but email me, shootersoptiontargets@gmail.com, and we will get you guys squared away with any of these fine, outstanding signs you see, and there won't be any issues whatsoever. So, guys, that's going to wrap it up for us tonight. This has been Junior with S.O.T Metalworks. Thank everybody for all the subscribing they've been doing lately. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for hitting the like button. Can't say enough great things about you guys. You guys are just awesome. So, you guys stay safe. Remember, work smarter, not harder. We're out, guys. Later.